Alright, let's see if we can try and get this to work. So we have a PDF that was scanned, and I just downloaded it. It should be in my downloads. Yeah, it's right here. I don't know if my image converter will convert a PDF, but we're going to try it. So we go to image converter link, and then we'll be brought to this. And then we choose the file. Let's just choose it and see what happens. Yeah, so that's not going to work. So what do we have to do? I think we need to open this. And then, actually, I think what we're going to do is select just our image that we want. So we really just want this little bit of this. We'll copy it, and then we'll do new from clipboard. So now we have this. That's better. And then we're going to export. And we're going to change PDF to, let's try PNG. And we'll call this character 1. Okay. So we can even save this too as character 1. Okay. Let's try and choose a file again. We gotta find where that is, so I'm just gonna do a quick search for character 1, and we have PDF or this. This is what we want. We want the non-PDF. Aha, and it worked. Okay, so now we're ready. So now we're gonna copy code, and we're gonna go over to, we'll go to makecode arcade, and in a new project or in your current project, we're going to go over to the JavaScript, and we're just going to paste that in. Hop back over to blocks, and we're going to rename this variable to character 1 so we know what it is. Now, this one's on its side, so we're probably going to want to rotate it. Actually, I think we can just do that in here. Yeah, there we go. So we got that, and then we do want to scale it. So I think there's a scaling one here somewhere. Change scale. We're going to set my character 1 sprite scale to 0.5, maybe? I don't know. Let's see. So smaller. Try 0.4. You lose a little resolution, but you can come back in here and kind of tidy it up. You can also get rid of certain things. So like if we want just this to be white, we might have to add a couple things where it kind of dropped off. So we can zoom in and just put a dot there and just close up holes. And then let's see if that did it. There's still a hole somewhere, but you can get the idea that we're getting rid of this white background. You don't want it to be a block. And you would just fill and get it to look like what you want. So that is how we would import our character right in to a project. Hope this was helpful. Good luck.